Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I'm going to teach about the timetable view part in Java. Here in our last class we design all the stuff. Now here only we view the table only. So if you have click this one table, if you select the class and day, relevant timetable should be displayed on the table over here. So how to do the task? Double click on this filter button. So here I'm going to, I already wrote the code, I have pasted it over the code. I will be explaining, don't worry about that. Because if I do the things step by step, it take too much of time to complete it. That's why I have just copy and paste it. I will be explained, don't worry, I will set the alignment first. Then only I will be easily I will be explained to you without any problem. Right. Right. So here what I did here is first this one comma box, this another comma box. If you select the class and day, if both correct, data should be click filter button. The data should be the relevant data should be displayed the table. If you select the class A and day Monday, the relevant information will be displayed on this J table. So what's the class you are selected here? This is a class. So you have to write get selected item to string. Okay, you have to write like this, otherwise you can write the to string, you have to put it the string like this. Both are same. Okay, both are same. You can do like these two ways. Both are same. Okay. Okay, this you can cast like this. This is a cast. You can write like this. Okay, right. So here the data should be passing to here. What is the class you are selected? The date should be the classes will be passed here. The thing. What's the day you are selected? It passing to the days. So here you have to write the prepare statement. Here select all from timetable where class means the class, right? You have to go to the MySQL database. Here timetable, this is the data, the class, subject and days and time. So you can see here class from timetable where class and day. Okay, what is the class? The class and days correct. Relevant data should be displayed on the J table. So here after that, this is the classes and days. These are we have used the prepare statement to achieve the stuff. rs.pst.execute it to execute it all the query we have to filtering according to the data, right? So here data table model we have to casting as a default data table model. Result set metadata, we have set the metadata. So in order to count the columns and all, you have to create a variable and you have to cast a J table and dft set row count 0. Okay, it will be reset the columns. So we have to write the while loop. You have to create the class vector, and here we have to write the for loops, and we have to vector at rs.getString the subject. What are the record will be displayed only subjects and times only display. When you select the classes and particular day, the relevant subject and days should be displayed on the J table. So here subject and time you are passing to the vector. Okay, after that JFT, this one we have to add into the vector. So we have to display on the J table. What is the name of the J table? You have to pass it here J table 1. You can say J table 1. This is name, right? You are passing it. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. For main, run it. So select the table view. Select the class array Monday. Click here. Subject will be displayed. Now we will be adding to more day subjects, right? So here subject and here you have to edit more subject classes and classes we know only if I am going to add the subjects. English, maths and maths, Hindi, Tamil, right? This one should be IT subject. I am going to add, right? Now let's what I am going to say. I am going to do the another thing is add the subjects. Now here the timetable registration. You have to go here. Class A. I am going to add the subjects, right? Why the subject is not only English only display, others are not display y. What's the problem? Let's go here and check the database. Here why it's not adding the subjects. What is the problem here is the problem here, this is text, the name is txt sub, so you have to change this one cs sub. That's the problem, right? This is subject, that's the problem, right? If there's an error, you can here the same text field I just copy and paste it, without change the name, so that the same name will be here as well, so that it won't work, right? Now the problem is solved. Again, I'm going to go and have a registration part. Subject maths saved, subject saved, science saved, Hindi saved, IT saved. Right, now let's add the data. We will be provide the link and all, no problem. So here timetable registration, here your class A, here all the columns are there. Now I'm going to select the maths, this one. Here we have to, what's the problem here is you have to get rid of the lines, this empty data. You have to really have added only the numbers would be this, you have to clear off that one. That's why it's a blank will be displayed. Again I am going to run it, stop the things, to stop it and run it again. Table registration, now it's working here, it's no problem. I'm going to select, I'm going to the subject 6A English added, maths Monday, time 9 to 9 a.m. to 10. Saved. Again we select the science Monday, time 10 to 10:40. Again I'm going to go here, France Hindi Monday 11 to 11:40. IT Monday, this one I'm going to select 12 to 1. That's it. Save, timetable save. Now let's view the table. If you select Monday 6A, here this are timetable will be displayed. Here you have a nice table. The same thing you have to add the another class. If you select as Monday, the relevant record will be displayed. If you change the day, the Tuesday I haven't added, so that it's no data is there. Okay, so Monday only I have added, it's recorded into the database. It will be display the day and class according to one, the record data will be displayed, right? The class and day which you are selected on the from the combo box, according to the data will be displayed on the JTable like this, right? It's very simple. Okay, here all this. If we want to do another thing is here, you have to do it the simple stuff. Right click, properties, font, bold 18, range as 18. Foreground color, background color, if you want to change the background color as black, foreground color as white, now the yellow. Now you will be able to see the output some differently. Monday, here you can see the output like this. So here the font is little bit bigger. I hope you have to change it as a 14 will be enough. Otherwise it's not a beauty. The beauty is must, no? day. Yeah, it's working. Now you can easily see the software. The days and time will be displayed. This is a simple timetable. You will be able to do it. Okay. Here we have in my next video tutorial, I will be given the another links, login and all the credentials we will give you. I hope you guys understood things well. If you have a doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, you can subscribe me. Thank you for watching.